Is your phone making you sick? As research shows 75% of people use theirs on the toilet, doctor warns mobiles are a harboring ground for bacteria. In our technology-obsessed society, it's not surprising that people are using their phones everywhere, even when going to the bathroom. In fact, a study conducted in 2016 found that 41% of Australians use their phone on the toilet, while one by Sony found that figure was closer to 75% for Americans. While it might seem like clever multitasking, a GP says that you're actually risking your health by taking your device with you wherever you go. There are water and air particles that harbor in the little creases of the phone, doctor told SBS. And phone covers and cases are usually made out of rubber, which is a warm and comfortable harboring ground for bacteria. This bacteria includes Salmonella, E. coli, Shigella and Campylobacter, according to WebMD, all of which can make you very sick. You're also at risk of spreading viruses like gastro and staph, which can be easily transmitted from solid surfaces like your phone. The advice doctor gives is to not even take your phone to the bathroom, especially public ones. Even if you're not using your phone on the toilet, you're still holding it while you're going in and out of the bathroom, and that's enough to put bacteria on the phone when you haven't yet washed your hands, she explained. Given that many people also use their phone when eating, and that many infections can be transmitted by mouth, this also increases the risk factor of getting sick from bacteria on your phone. So, what can you do to try and mitigate this risk of spreading infections and getting sick? Firstly, don't take your phone into the bathroom at all, and try not to use it when eating. Disinfecting your phone regularly is also a good idea, especially if you've been using it in the bathroom. Specific sprays can be bought to clean touch screens, and a screen protector can help too. And wash your hands regularly, especially when leaving the bathroom or touching anyone else's smartphone. So it's better to count floor tiles rather than falling sick.